In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect your Stripe account to Xero in just 5 minutes. This process involves several straightforward steps and is designed to make your accounting more seamless by enabling direct transactions between Stripe and Xero. Before we begin, ensure you have your Stripe account details handy because you'll need them later. First, let's head over to Xero's website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to xero.com. This is where we'll initiate the process of connecting with Stripe. Next, look for the login option, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Once you're on the login page, take a moment to carefully type in your registered email address and password. Remember, ensuring the correct credentials will save you from any authentication issues later on. After entering your details, simply click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged into your account, look for your account name or profile icon on the dashboard, typically found at the upper section of the page, and click on it to access a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Settings to manage different areas of your Xero account. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Payment Services. This is a crucial part of the process as it allows you to manage and integrate various payment methods within Xero. Once you are on the Payment Services page, proceed by clicking on Add New Payment Service. This action is a gateway to introducing new payment options like Stripe to your Xero account. After clicking on New Payment Service, you'll see several payment options. Click on Add Other, which is where we'll find Stripe. Clicking on Stripe will bring you to a section where you can specify your Stripe account details. Now, it's time to enter your Stripe account name. Ensure this name is exactly how it appears within your Stripe dashboard to avoid any mismatches. Following this, you'll need to select a payment account that Stripe payments will be linked to within Xero. This helps in aligning your sales and transactions correctly in your accounting records. Finally, with everything in place, click on the Connect to Stripe button. This will initiate the connection process between your accounts, and once completed, you'll have successfully set up direct transactions from Stripe into Xero. And there you have it. Integrating Stripe with Xero is a simple way to streamline your financial processes